Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again, putting in work. How y'all doing today? Hope all is well. I'm got to put in work, so I don't know. I'm just gonna be talking about stuff randomly. Yeah, want to say thank you for the ones that continue to return to this channel. But today, I know I said yesterday I wasn't cooking today because my hand is killing me. I'm better today, but who am I kidding? I cooked. I'm cooking today. You see that cake in the background? I'm cooking some muffins. I got some dinner rolls, homemade dinner rolls, homemade muffins, cake. Well, the cake is made here. I didn't buy it, so you see it's in the pan. And I got these great northern beans. I'm gonna open them up. I don't know if I'm doing yellow rice or white rice, but I'm cooking roasted chicken, rib tips, and a beef roast. I know it's quite a bit, huh? And oh, and I got a lasagna mac and cheese. Oh yes, all that going on today. Let me think. Yep, so I just came on, put it so I can put in this work on this grocery channel on my, what the day is. Anyway, I'm gonna do a video for my garden channel, and I'm gonna do a video for my crafting channel. And as I mentioned in a previous video, I don't know how many of you, probably not many, I mentioned that my comments were acting up. So, and I was asking you guys to hit the newest comment on your channel to see if you see my comment where your thing say comments. I believe you tap on that, and then you'll see new comments, top comments, all that. Click on newest comments and see if you see any of my comments from my garden channel or from my crafting channel, and yes, this channel too. And I told YouTube about it. I don't know if it's fixed or not. You guys haven't replied, so I'll just mention it in the video if someone's concerned, and if they, stroll through my video and hear me say certain things, then I know that you guys will see what's going on. So you won't think I'm not supporting you, even though I tell you I watch you on TV, and I just come online to leave a comment or leave a heart. And sometimes the comments don't work, so that's what happens. Sorry for that light in the background. Yeah, so I watched my stories yesterday. I don't know if any of y'all watched Beyond the Gate, but homegirl decided to help Eva out and give her some liver. The doctor comes in and yesterday and says that the surgery was a success. Eva woke up. Eva looked like so young. These women, some women look so young without all that makeup on their face. The makeup age them and make them look old and harsh. But as soon as they take all that stuff off, and you just look so pretty and young and fresh, all that makeup just make you look old and harsh. it just gives a, I guess, harsh meaning, just age. It ages the person. So I don't know. Eva is so beautiful without all that makeup on her face, and Kat too. Both of them. All that makeup just ages folks. But anyway, hold up, y'all. I'm putting in work. Yeah, I got to put this work in on this grocery channel. Thank you for anyone who has ever hyped, commented, shared, and subscribed to my channel. Thank you. Or even shared, I guess. But thank you, thank you, thank you. So today I'm just randomly on here sharing stuff. But anyway, Beyond the Gate. Today I'm going to watch it again and see. Oh, Eva, not Eva, but Kat was having some complications. So I guess today we're going to find out if she going to pull through. Hopefully she pulled through, because she is the, you know, the antagonist to Eva. Hating her sister, talking about she only did it because she loved her daddy. Because she was thinking about not doing it at all. Eva was going to die. And her grandmama told her, you're going to have that on your conscience forever and a day. You need to make the right decision. If you could help somebody, you could help them. So, we'll see. And Leslie, everybody got their feelings about her. But Leslie is toned down because of Eva's, you know, Eva's goings-ons and what's happening. Her little Isaiah boyfriend, his cute self, went and bought her a nice little bracelet and stuff. Eva woke up confused and was asking them what happened. She had forgot she had got injured in that storage room. But hopefully they keep the story moving. I'm still wanting that. No, I'm still wanting Leslie to be the daughter of Vernon Dupree. Because, let me see, who was it? The Nicole and I don't know why sometimes I can't think of these folks' names. Nicole and her and Cat Daddy. I can't think of his name right now. I don't know why. They were supposed to be such a perfect couple, and then all that happened with Leslie. Now, Vernon and the grandmama and his wife, they supposed to be a perfect couple too. I just want them to write in that story, come to find out Leslie is Vernon's daughter. And then it'd be one big old happy family, and then Eva would be his be his granddaughter for sure. And his wife would be her step-grandmother. Sure will. Wouldn't that be something? Found out that Leslie's chateau got destroyed during the tornado, but she's not concerned about that because of Eva. So hopefully Eva pulled through, and we'll see as time go by all this craziness. Sometimes I just press through because I don't want to hear Joey and homegirl boring conversation, nothing going on there, and everybody else just boring. Leslie, the daughter, Isaiah, and most of them, you know, got some dirt. The grandmother and Vernon, they all be having dirt, and everybody else, you know, they try to hook them up with stuff, but I don't know. But we shall see. I also, what the day is? Oh, the Queen's Men come on Wednesday, so I'm waiting to look at that. What else did I see? Quite a few movies. Oh, I've been looking at the videos too on YouTube. I've been looking at people decorating for Halloween. Can you believe it? They're decorating, looking for and decorating for Halloween. Some of these people, they live for Halloween, so I guess some of them, they home stay in Halloween mode. This one black lady and her husband, they are crazy about Halloween. It's real deep, really. Witchcraft and they love all that witchy, crafty stuff. Oh, hold up, y'all. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.